Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Supra MK4. First, define your goals, whether it's for track performance or a powerful street car. Always start with a thorough inspection and maintenance to ensure your engine is in top condition. Then, consider an aftermarket engine management system, which is crucial for precise control over your engine's parameters as you begin to modify it. For more power, a larger turbocharger is key, often pushing output well over 500 horsepower. Pair this with upgraded fuel injectors, perhaps 1,000 cubic centimeters, to ensure adequate fuel supply. A free-flowing 3-inch exhaust system will also help the engine breathe better, contributing to overall performance and a more aggressive sound. With increased power, your drivetrain needs attention. A stronger clutch and upgraded transmission are crucial to reliably transfer hundreds of horsepower to the wheels. For handling, consider a quality set of coilovers. These allow you to fine-tune your ride height and damping, significantly improving cornering ability and overall driving dynamics for a more engaging experience. The final step is professional tuning. A skilled tuner will optimize your engine management system, ensuring maximum power and reliability. Don't forget safety. Upgraded brakes are essential when you're adding hundreds of horsepower. Consider 4-piston calipers and larger rotors. Also, install gauges to monitor critical engine parameters like boost and air-fuel ratio for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.